Lucidscale helps organizations see and understand their cloud environment by using metadata to automatically generate accurate, dynamic cloud diagrams to help teams effectively design, build, deploy, and troubleshoot as their businesses grow. In this video, we're going to focus on how to import your GCP Cloud Architecture. The first step to visualizing your cloud infrastructure is importing a project into Lucidscale. There are two ways you can import your data. First, by selecting the plus new button, clicking Lucidscale, and choosing GCP. Another option is to go through the Data Hub, select GCP, and click to add a new project. Lucidscale will be able to import your project via the credential information you provide. Just a heads up, if you have been using the Lucidchart add-on Cloud Insights, then you will see the account roles you previously imported listed on this page. In order to add a new project, you'll select plus Add Project. To import a new GCP project, you'll either do this through a GCP CLI script or GCP Service Account, but we recommend connecting to your project by using a GCP Service Account. This will allow Lucidscale to easily refresh and update the project infrastructure with a simple click. When importing a GCP Service Account, click plus New Service Account to add credentials to connect to the GCP project you want to visualize. On the new GCP Service Account window, perform the following steps. Click the download link to download the YAML file to your computer. Then select organization level or project level, depending on if you want Lucidscale to have a one-to-one connection to a project or a one-to-many connection to projects. Note, in this example, we will import with the project level option. From here, you will navigate to your Google Cloud Platform account. Click Activate Cloud Shell to open the Cloud Shell terminal. From here, click the three-dot icon and select Upload to bring in the YAML file you downloaded from Lucidscale. Once uploaded, you're going to paste the line of code from the Lucidscale window for a GCP project and replace the following values in the line. Replace GCP project ID with your project ID, as well as a connecting path to the YAML file. The end result should look something like this. Once done, click Enter to authorize. From here, you are now going to create a service account in GCP. Click on the menu option and select I am and Admin. And from here, click Service Account. Once here, click to create a new service account. On this page, you will enter a service account name and service account ID, though typically this auto-populates as you type out the service account name. Finally, a description, and click Create and Continue. In the second section, you will select a role from the drop-down menu and click Custom. Then select the custom role you created in the right-hand panel and select Continue. Finally, you will have the option to grant users access to this account. This is not needed for the Lucidscale import. Finally, click Done. Now you are going to generate/upload your JSON key. In the Service Account window, select your newly created service account. From here, go to the Keys tab and click Add Key to create a new key. When creating the private key for Lucidscale, select JSON and click Create. Once you have downloaded the JSON file to your computer, navigate back to the Lucidscale page and click Choose File to upload the JSON file from your GCP console. Once added, click Add GCP Service Account. If everything has been configured correctly, it will validate the created service account and it will show up in the Saved Credentials page. Now that you've added your credentials, you can select it to continue to the service account and click Next. From the service account, you'll then select the projects that you'd like to visualize in Lucidscale. Next, select the resources you'd like to visualize from the project. Another note to make, any resources that you uncheck will not be pulled into this data source going forward. If you wish to include those resources at a later date, you'll need to re-import the dataset. Another quick tip, in this screen, you will also see the option to name the project connection you are creating. Best practice is to name what you are going to be visualizing from your GCP Cloud Architecture. This name is what will appear on your Data Hub page for the project after you click Import GCP Project. After you've selected your resources, click Add GCP Project. The project and selected resources will now be seen in your GCP Data Hub window. If you need to use the same account to view different resources, remember, you will need to go through the process again and select the other resources you need to visualize. From here, you can create models. To create a model from the list of GCP imported projects, you can do this from the plus new button or from the GCP Data Hub page. Either way, you will be taken to the new model window, where you will select the projects you want to visualize in the model, and you will be able to name the model from this window. The name will default to Untitled GCP Model with the current date and time. Note, performance may start to decrease as the number of resources in the model increases. Lucidscale makes it easy to visualize multiple components of your GCP Cloud Architecture with accurate dynamic diagrams. Check out the rest of the Lucidscale playlist to learn how to create different views, filter the information you need most, and manage your data and diagrams to better govern the cloud.